Hello children. Good morning everybody. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Today in our Smart Study channel, I am going to discuss time and work problems based on joining and leaving. Okay? About joining and leaving problems, I will discuss today. Many of you will think what this time and work topic is very difficult, but I will say you very shortcut methods in this class. Okay? By doing this, you can solve any problem within 1 minute. Okay, if you practice more and more, you can do more easily. Shall we move to problems now? The first question is, see friends here, first question. Wait for a while. See, can you see now? I'm reading first question. Listen carefully. Okay. Before doing any problem, first you should read the question perfectly. If you have not understood, you should read again and again. When you understood the question, we can do the problem perfectly. Now I'm starting. Listen. First question is what? A can do a piece of work in 10 days while B can do in 15 days. Means what is the meaning of this, friends? They have given some work. That work can be finished by A in how many days? 10 days. B can finish in 15 days. Okay. A can do a piece of work in how many days? 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. Okay. A 10, B 15. Now I shall read the second point. See, they begin together. Okay, they both of them have begun together the work, but 5 days before the completion of work, B leaves off. Means what? Again I am reading, listen carefully. They begin together means both of them have started the work together, but 5 days before the completion of work means before the work is completed only, B leaves off. How many days before B left out? 5 days. Means what is the meaning? Before doing these sums, what you should do means, now the main trick lies here. I will write one equation. Based on this you can do any problem. See, first what you should do while doing this problem means, first you should take two terms. See, dash plus dash, what is this? I will say, okay, is equal to 1. 1 means what? The whole work what they have done. First dash belongs to what? Means A. Okay, next dash belongs to what? B. Okay, this is our main trick. Whole in this one, by this equation any problem we can solve. How we shall see. First one what I told, they gave A to A can be done the work in 10 days. No, so near A in the denominator you should write 10 days. Why? Because A finished the work in 10 days. No, in denominator, don't write in numerator. Next B in how many days? 15 days. Okay, up to here over. This is the basic form of equation. For any problem you should take like this, A and B, and you should split into two parts, dash plus dash. So A and B, no, that's why A plus B equal to total work is how much? I equated to 1. A have done the work in 10 days, so I wrote in the denominator 10, and B in 15 days, so I wrote 15. Now in numerator what we should do? We shall see now. First point is completed. Now in the given question, A can do a piece of work in 10 days they gave. I wrote in the A denominator 10. B 15 days over. Now second step, how to form the equation I will say. See, they begin together means they both of them has begun together, but 5 days before the completion of work B leaves off. Means what? They have done the work togetherly, but before the work completed 5 days before only B left off. Actually, do we know how many days they have done the work togetherly? A and B have done work for some days, but how many days we don't know. So I am assuming the work done by together A and B as what? X. Okay, both A and B, how many days they done? We don't know. I wrote here X. Here also X. Here also X. Next, what they have given in question C. But they begin together 5 days before the completion of work. B left off. B left off when? 5 days before. No. So near the B what I am writing, A has done all the work together. She is there for whole X days. She is there, but B is not there now for that X days. So I am writing near B x minus 5. This is important. Listen friends, why I have written minus 5 means B had not done the work completely. Before 5 days only she left off. That's why near B what did I wrote? X minus 5. I hope you understood this equation. I am explaining again. You see, A had done 10 days, so in denominator I wrote 10. B had done 15 days, I wrote down 15 in the denominator of B. Next, together work they don't know, that's why in A and B I wrote X and X. Next, they gave that what B has left before the completion of work. How many days before? 5 days. Means 5 days work B has not done, no. If she has done, I used to write plus 5. She has not done. That's why I have written what? Minus 5. She has not done the work. Near B I have written minus 5 because B has left before the 5 days of work only. Okay. Now this equation only we can frame as other one. What can you say? Other form also. This is the first method. Okay, method 1. In other way also we can write this equation. Inverse method. How? Near B I wrote x minus 5. That means what? Before 5 days only she left out. Instead of that, can I write this 5 days left out work who has done now? A only has done now. So near A can I write x plus 5? Why? Because x is the whole work done by A and B. Plus 5 why I am writing means the remaining work left by the B is done by A only now. So can I write near A as x plus 5? Yes. That time we should write near B x only. Okay. In the both form of equations we can do anything you can do. In this method you do also you will get the answer. In the second method if you have done also you will get the answer. What is the difference in this both means? In the first method what I have told, near the B what I have written before 5 days only B has left, so I wrote there x minus 5. Here in the reverse manner I have applied to A. Means what? Here near B I wrote minus 5 because she went off. Near A here added 5 because that 5 days of work extra is done by A only, no. So instead of writing near B I wrote here plus 5. Why plus 5? Because that work is done by A. Okay. Our main part is completed. If we form this equation enough, that all the simplification you know easily. This is the main part. I am saying once again, listen, we should split into two parts. In the denominator we should write how many days of work they have done. That should be equated to 1. Why 1? Because what is the whole work done by them. And in the numerator, according to the data given in the question, we should form the equation. Okay. In the two methods I have written, you can do in any one method, you will get the answer. Now we shall try to simplify this equation. Here in this first method what is there? 10 and 15 is there. What is the LCM of 10 and 15 friends? 30. I hope you all know the process of LCM. LCM of 10 and 15 is what? 30. So in the first part near A, 10 is there. 10 is the multiple of which number with 30? 3. So 3 into x, 3x plus 15 is there. 15 will be multiplied with which number in 30? 2. So 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, in the whole numerator part I am multiplying with the 2. That is equal to what? 1. Okay. Then what will happen now? 3x plus 2x is what friends? 5x. 5x minus 10. 3x plus 2x is what? I am writing, wait. 5x minus 10 equal to, if I send 30 to that side, what it will become? 30 into 1 is 30. Okay. Now 5x equal to what will happen? 30 plus 10 is what friends? 40. If we do cancellation, 5 ones are 5 eights are. So answer is what? 8. X equal to how many days now? 8 days. Now x is what? X belongs to what? Together work. What they have done is what? Together work done is we assumed as x, that is 8. What did they ask us? Find the number of days for the work to be completed. Yes or no? Total work they have completed in how many days? They have asked us. Yes or no? In total work we assumed as what? X. X equal to we got 8. So that is our answer. Similarly in the method 1 how I told, same process you do in the second method. This is the method 2. Yes or no? X plus 5 by 10 plus x by 15 equal to 1, no? Shall we do in this? If we do in this also, again same, 10 15 LCM is 30, you know that. Yes or no? If 10 is a multi in the 30, it will multiply with 3. 3x plus 15 plus with 15, what is the multiple of 32? 2x equal to 30, I am writing here directly. So in denominator 30 goes to that side, means it will come 30 into 1, 30. Then 3x plus 2x is what, friends? 5x equal to 30 minus 15 is what? 15. So x equal to 15 divided by 5 is what? 3 days. Okay. Here x equal to 8 we got. Here x equal to 3 we got. But if we add here in the a, what will happen? Here 3 is not the answer. 3 is what? B. B means what? How much? That many days she has done the work. But actually A has done 5 days extra, no? We need to add that also, no? So 3 plus 5 is what? 8. That is our answer. Okay. In this case, directly we got near the A. Here extra 5 days A work we need to add, no? So 3 plus 5 is 8. In the both cases we got the answer as what? 8. So that is our answer. Your whole magic lies in forming the equation. If you form the equation perfectly by reading the data, you can simplification is very easy for you. Okay. I shall say some more problems. By listening the problems, if you listen carefully how to form the equation, then this will be easy for you. Now we shall move to the next problem. Second one. See friends, I am zooming it. What is the question here? See, A and B can do a piece of work in 60 and 75 days respectively. What is the meaning of respectively? In the proper order. What number they have given, in that order only it will be there. Here A and B they have given 60 and 75. Respectively means in the same order. A goes to 60, B goes to 75. But you should not write A as 75, B as 60. Okay. Here respectively means in the correct order what they have given, we should write. So they told they have done some work. A has done in 60 days and the same work B has done in the 75 days. Next, what they has given, both begin together. Both of them has done the work, started the work togetherly. But after certain days, A leaves off. Okay, both has started the work at the same time. But after some days, A went off. A leaves. Then they are asking, in such a case, B finishes the remaining work in 30 days. Means what? First they told that A and B started the work together. But after some days A left off. After leaving the work, A work also will be left out, no? Then what? That time what happened? B will finish the whole remaining work which is left by A also in how many days? 30 days. Now we shall see how to form the equation. Okay. They are asking us what? After how many days A leaves. First we shall form the equation. What did I told for you? Split into two parts, A and B. In numerator what we should write, denominator what we should write, we shall see. First A done in 60 days, no? So near A I am writing 60. B done the work in 75 days. So in the denominator I wrote in 75. Okay. Next, what did I told? Both they have started the work together, but how many days we don't know. So I am assuming as x. Same in the next term also we should write x only. Okay. Up to here it is common in any problem. Now how to write we shall see. After doing this, what they have given in the question, both begin together. So I wrote near both the terms as x. But after certain days, A leaves off. Yes or no? After some days, A is going. After how many days they have given, we shall see. In such a case, B finishes the remaining work in 30 days. Means what? After A leaving off, B is finishing the work in how many days? 30 days. Means B has done the extra work of 30 days, no? Yes or no? That's why as B is doing extra work, I have wrote there plus. Why? Because what the work left by A, B is only doing now. How many days she has done extra? B, 30 days. So near B I wrote x plus 30. That is equal to 1. Now shall we do simplification? This is the equation. LCM of 60 and 75 is what, friends? 300. Okay, with 68, with what number 300 will be multiplied? 5 is 65 is 300. You know that. Multiply with the numerator. 5 into x, 5x, plus with 75, with what number it will be gone? Multiplied 4. 4x plus 430 is what? 120. Okay, then next what will happen in the next step? 5x plus 4x is what, friends? 9x. 9x plus 120 is equal to 9x plus 120 equal to, if I send 300 to other side, 300 into 1 is what? 300. So 9x equal to 300 minus 120 is what, friends? 180. So x equal to 180 by 9 is how much? 20. So 20 is our answer. Okay, after how many days that A has left out means 20 days. So our answer is 20. After how many days A leaves now? 20. B option, 20 is our answer. Next, moving to the third problem. One more point. Before starting any problem, you just blindly don't copy what I'm saying. Okay, you pause the video, try to solve it. One problem we can do in many ways. One will do in one way, other one will do other way. You pause the video and try to form the equation. In all the ways you try. If you are not able to form the equation, then watch the video. Okay, that time it will be easy for you. Now I am reading third question. You see, A and B can do a piece of work in 40 and 50 days respectively. Means in the same order. A they told 40, so I wrote 40. B in 50 days. In denominator I wrote 50. Whole work is equal to 1. Next, what they gave? Both begin together, but after certain time A leaves off. Means similar to the second question. How I told you now, second question, same process repeated, but numbers they have changed. Okay, means near both I have written x. After I have assumed the both work done as x. Next what they told? They both have begun together. After some time A left out. A left out after how many days? See, in these days B finishes the remaining work in 20 days. After A leaving from the work, remaining work is done by B. No, for how many days B alone done? 20 days extra work B has done. So I wrote near B plus 20 because the work is done by B. No, plus 20. This is the equation. Now simplify it. LCM of 40 and 50 is what, friends? 200. Okay, with 40 in which number 200 will be multiplied? 5. So 5 into x is 5x, plus with 50 which number 200 will be gone? 4. 54 is 200, right? So 4 into x is 4x, plus 420 is 80. That is equal to 1. Next step. 5x plus 4x is what, friends? 9x. 9x plus 80 equal to 200 into 1 is what? 200. 9x plus 80 equal to 200. Now 9x equal to 200 minus 80 is how much? 120. So if you do cancellation, what will happen? 3 3s are, I am doing with 3. See, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 0 is left. So x equal to 40 by 3. If we do convert that into mixed fraction, what will happen? 40 by 3, you simplify it, you will get 13 1 by 3. That is our answer. Okay, if you do 40 by 3, you will get 13 1 by 3. We got the answer in mixed fraction. See, 13 3 is 39. 39 plus 1 is 40. 40 by 3. Where is the option 13 1 by 3 in our answers? We shall see. They ask that only now after how many days A leaves? 13 1 by 3 days. A is our answer. Both second and third problem are same. Next, moving to the fourth question, last question. You practice this on internet, you can search many problems regarding the joining and leaving, and you should work out on that. Okay, wherever you have seen the problems based on this joining and leaving, You try it and do and put in the comment box, friends. Now last sum, see. A can do a certain job in 15 days while B alone can do it in 10 days. Means again same. A has done some work in 15 days, B in 10 days. How to form the equation? I told, see, first step is this, split into two parts. One is A, one is B, whole work is equal to 1. A has done in 15 days. So in the denominator of A I am writing 15. Near B I am writing 10 days. Okay. Next step we shall read now. Second point what they have given. A started the work and was joined by B after 5 days. Means what? Initially A has started the work. Afterwards, after 5 days, who joined A? B joined. Okay. First initially I am writing in both the steps x. Okay. Or wait, I will say first I am writing 5 days. Why? Because A started the work and was joined by B. After 5 days I told no. First initially who started the work? A. Next, first I am writing 5 days. Who joined initially? Together work is what? X. So near A can I write x plus y? Because that 5 days work extra is done by A. B joined lately. So that's why I wrote here x. Near A I wrote 5 plus x because that extra work is done by whom? A. Or you can write simply in the other form of equation also. How? In A only you can write x by 15. In B you can write x minus 5 because B has not done that 5 days work. So I am writing plus x minus 5 near B. Did you understood this equation, friends? Once again I am saying, you see, in the denominator 15 and 10 till here it is clear for you. In both the terms I have written x. Here the one what they have given means initially they started the work. A started the work but B joined 5 days lately. So I wrote that 5 days late work is done by who? B has not done. She joined lately. A done that work, no? So I wrote there 5 plus x because A done that extra 5 days work. 5 plus x by 15 plus near B is what? X by 10 is equal to 1. This is first method. In second method what I wrote? In reverse. A I wrote x by 15 only. Near B what I have done? B joined 5 days lately. Means that 5 days work is not done by B. It is not done means I am writing minus. If it is done I am writing plus. B has not done that 5 days work. So I wrote here x minus 5. X minus 5 by 10 equal to 1. Okay. In any method you will do, you will get the answer. Now simplify this equation. LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. You know that. With 15 in which what is the multiple of 30? 15 2s are 30. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 2 into x is 2x plus 10 3s is 30, right? 3x equal to 1. 2x plus 3x is what, friends? 5x plus 10 equal to 30. Now 5x equal to 30 minus 10 is what? 20. If you do cancellation, 5 1s are 5 4s are. X equal to how many days we got? 4 days we got. X equal to 4 days. What they are asking in the question we shall see. Now wait. X equal to 4 days we got, no? In question what they are asking, the work lasted for how many days? The work lasted for how many days means what, friends? The total work is done for how many days they are saying. Here x equal to 4 is the total work? No. Extra 5 days A also done, no. X work is done by who in this equation? B. B has done joined 5 days later, but that 5 days also we should add know what the work A has done. We need togetherly. Work lasted for how many days meaning is what? Means total work done by both A and B. Here we got the B work, that is X has 4 days plus A done extra 5 more days than B, no? So 5 plus 4 is what, friends? 9. A plus B work, that is 5 plus 4 equal to 9 days is our answer. Work lasted means total work, that is 5 plus 4, 9 days. B option is 9. This is our answer. Okay. Similarly, if you do in this equation also, you'll get the same answer. You can frame any equation in the both. Okay, some will write in the near the A term, some will write in the B term. If in any method you'll do, you'll get the same answer, friends. Read the data perfectly and form the equation correctly, then you'll get the answers easily. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this class. And after this class, wherever you watch the joining and leavening problems, please try to solve it. Then you can become much perfect. Thank you for watching our class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study. And please be at home and be safe, friends. Thank you. Bye bye. We shall meet in next class.